Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Windows 8.1 iOS file. Let's start the video.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Open a Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox browser and paste it to the URL link which is given in the description. This is the official Microsoft website. Select Windows 8.1. Scroll down. Here is the select an edition. Windows 8.1, 8.1k number of editions are there, but I am selecting Windows 8.1. Now I am selecting language. Confirm and selecting versions. Two versions here, 64 and 32-bit. So I want 64-bit operating system. So I am selecting save file and download it. I hope you like my video. Thank you, take care, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any update.